Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 5 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 equal 30 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So factor out 5 power x minus 1 to the smallest power of 5. So we can write it as 5 power x plus 1 as 5 power x minus 1 plus 2. So which we can write it as 5 power x minus 1 times 5 power 2. So this I can write it as 5 power x minus 1 times 5 square is 25 minus 5 power x minus 1 times 5 times 1 is equals to 30. Now we can take 5 power x minus 1 as common. So this becomes 25 minus 1 which is equal 30. 5 power x minus 1 times 24 equal 30. So now if we'll divide both sides by 24, we get 5 power x minus 1 is equals to 30 by 24, which is equals to 5 by 4. Now take log on both sides. So log 5 power x minus 1 is equals to log 5 by 4. So x minus 1 times log 5 is equals to log 5 by 4. X minus 1 is equals to log 5 by 4 by log 5. Now x minus 1 is equals to log 5 by 4 is approximately 0.09691 and log 5 is approximately 0.6990. So x minus 1 is approximately 0.1387. So x is approximately 0.1387 plus 1. X is approximately 1.1387. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.